All right, you guys, thanks for tuning into the video. So I am pretty excited about this particular video because I want to talk today about a strategy that I use on a regular basis and have a ton of success with and make a lot of extra money by treating rideshare like a business and strategizing and planning. So I also, I'm going to specifically tell you about this morning. Where I basically had a home run with this strategy. I'm gonna let you know how much money I made and kind of how the whole morning kind of came together. First of all, how's it going? My name is Matt. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not already subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. And if you could hit the thumbs up button, would also appreciate that very much. Thank you so much for doing that and for supporting the channel. So let's get into this strategy. So last night, right around 8 o'clock p.m. So I turn on the Lyft app and I go into scheduled pickups, and usually there isn't one right away. So you've got to keep the screen open, and every 10 minutes or so, however long you want to wait, you hit a button and you refresh the page. So eventually something's going to pop in. And the whole key is to be the first one to accept the scheduled ride. So last night, I'm doing this, and I eventually get a ride out to LAX. So I'm here in Southern California, Los Angeles, and we have two main airports out here. We have a bunch of other smaller airports, but we have two main airports, LAX, which is about an hour from where I drive and live. And then we have Burbank, which is about 40 minutes, both, of course, depending on traffic. But so the first one comes in last night. It's for 8 a.m. this morning to LAX. I'm thinking, okay, great. This is perfect. Maybe I'll get up early. I'll do a couple trips around town, and then I'll head out to my airport trip. So, and the airport trip's gonna be over $50 plus tip. I say plus tip because I usually get a tip when I take people out to the airport. I help them with their luggage, whatever. It's a long trip. Usually I get a tip, and in this particular case, this morning, that was the case. I did get a tip. So then, just a couple minutes later in the app, another scheduled pickup comes in, which I also get, and it's a trip to the other airport, which is Burbank, about 40 minutes away. And this one is at 5 a.m. It's a pickup time is 5 a.m. So now I've got my morning definitely planned and set. And I'm going to be able to make some good money first thing in the morning, and then I can kind of go on about the rest of my day driving and doing what I need to do. So so I go out this morning. 5 a.m. is my first pickup, smooth ride to the airport, $40 trip plus tip. Then I head back into town, and I hit Starbucks, I get some coffee, some ice water, whatever. I'm doing what I'm doing. And then 8 a.m. I get my second trip to the airport. I go pick her up. I take her out to LAX. That's a $55 trip plus tip. And so I'm over $100 basically by 9:50 in the morning. I'm over $100 without having to go park and wait for something to come in the system. That's planned and ready to go. It's in the books, basically. So now I can spend the rest of my day driving around town, doing rides, possibly picking up another airport trip. It is 4th of July week, so there seems to be a lot more airport trips this week. People going out of town for the holiday, so we'll see if we can pick up one of those. But the key is treat rideshare like a business, which it is. It's our business. Strategize, plan, and be organized. So try this particular strategy. Let me know how it goes. If you're already using this strategy, if you've had success with this strategy, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up and comment below how it's working for you. Give me a success story. Let me hear what's going on out there. I just want to know if drivers are using this particular strategy. I'm curious if it's just something that's working pretty well in this area, or if it's working in other areas as well. So share your comments. I really want to know. So, all right, guys. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. I definitely appreciate it. I'm working to put out some good content for you guys to help us all maximize our profits, maximize the money we make. I think it's important to treat rideshare like a business and properly strategize and plan for our day. And so, do me a favor, if you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Helps the channel grow. I definitely appreciate it. And you guys be safe out there, and be profitable. All right, take care. Have a good day.